So good morning my dear students, come to today's class. So today I will start your exercise 2.5. okay, so exercise 2.5, I have no sorry, your book, maths book, so I just collected the page from another teacher on my mobile. Okay, so the first one, question exercise 2.5, the question is find the quotient and the remainder. Okay, so you have to find quotient and remainder. The first one is I think A. Yes, 82,756 divided by 421. 82,756 divided by 421. We have to find the quotient and the remainder. So we have to do the long division here. Okay, so solution is given 82,756 divided by 421. Okay, so now you just do the long division here. This one is dividend and this one is the divisor. Okay, and we will find quotient here and remainder will be here. So 82,756 you have to divide by 421. Okay, so now 421 into 1, it will be 4 to 1. 7 minus 1 becomes 6, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 8 minus 4 becomes 4, 406. Okay, so now this 5 come to here, this one. So this one is 421 and this one 4065. Okay, so now you have to multiply 421 by 9. Okay, because 421 into 10, it will become 4210. All of you know that if you multiply a number by 10, then 0 come to the right side of that number. So if the given, this one division is divisor is 421. Whenever you multiply 421 by 10, you will get 4210. But 4210 is greater than 4065. So you have to multiply just smaller than 10. That means you have to multiply by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carry on. And 9 4 is 36, 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, so 5 minus 9, you cannot subtract 9 from 5, so just take 1 from 6, that it becomes 15. 15 minus 9 becomes 6. Now it remains as 5. Again, you cannot subtract 8 from 5. Okay, so you have to take 1 from the left hand side number, but this one is 0. You cannot subtract, cannot take 1 from 0. So again, you have to take 1 from this number 4. Whenever you take 1 from 4, that 1 come to here. Okay, so it becomes 10. Again, when you take 1 from this, originally it was 5, so it becomes what? 15. So 15 minus 8 becomes 7, and it remains as 9. So 9 minus 7 becomes 2. Okay, now this 6 comes to this position. Okay, so now you have to multiply by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1 carry on. And 6 4s are 24, and 24 plus 1 25. So 0 becomes 4 2. So 240 is less than 421. Okay, clear? So that means in this case you have to find the quotient and the remainder. So here quotient is equal to what? 196. And remainder is what? 240. Okay, that's the answer. So the division you just do by yourself. That means 421 into 1. How we find 1? I think all of you learned division in class 4. Okay, so again I am repeating this one. 82,756 we have to divide by 421, or in this case we have to find the quotient and the remainder. So 421 and this one is 827. Okay, 421, if you multiply 421 by 2, it becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8 4s are 8. 842 is greater than 827. And first you have to take this 3 number. Okay, that is why we multiplied 421 just smaller than 2, that means by 1. So whenever you multiply 421 into 1, it becomes 421. Now 7 minus 1 becomes 6, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 8 minus 4 becomes 4, 406. Then these 5 come to this position, that means 4065. Now we have to divide 4065 by 421. Already we discussed whenever you multiply 421 by 10, then it becomes 4210. Okay, so 4210 is just above that 4065. That means you cannot multiply 421 by 10. Okay, so just smaller than 10, 9. You multiply 421 into 9, then you will get 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 8, 1 carry on, 9 fours are 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, so now from 5 you cannot subtract 9, just take 1 from this, so it becomes 15, 15 minus 9 becomes 6, and it remains 5. Okay, from 5 you cannot subtract 8, so you have to take 1 from the left hand side number, but left number. But left side number is what? 0. You cannot take 1 from 0. Already it is 0. Okay. That means you again take 1 from the another left number. So this one is 4. Whenever you take 1 from this, it becomes 10. Okay. Again you take 1 from this. Already it was 5. Whenever you take 1 from this, it becomes 15. So 15 minus 8, it becomes 7. And whenever you take 1 from 10, it remains 9. So 9 minus 7 becomes, that means 276. Now this 6 come to this position, so 2766. Okay, so now 421 into 6. Okay, so you can multiply twice or thrice, then that 421 into 5, 427. Suppose you multiply 421 into 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 4 1 carry on, 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 9, 2947. 2947 is greater than 2766. So that is why you multiply by 6. Okay, by multiplying 2 or 3 numbers, you can easily get which will be the perfect number for this. Okay, so 421 into 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 2, 1 carry on, 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So now 6 minus 6, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, so 240. Okay, that means the quotient is 196. This one is a quotient, and this one, all of you know that this one is a dividend, this one is a divisor, this one is the quotient, and this one is the remainder. So in this case, you have to find quotient and remainder. So quotient is 196 and remainder is 240. Okay.